Okay, folks, the Hero 2000 had an option for a demo ROM. And if you purchased it, you got 11 routines that Heathkit put together to demonstrate the robot. And what you're about to see is one of those routines. The fourth routine on the demo ROM is called Beeper. And to make that happen, we hit execute 016 and we hit
Please select one trophy.
number 4.
Please be quiet for a moment. Hello? Oh!
Hello there. How are you? What time is it?
Please select one trophy.
Okay, I terminated it, but every time you make a noise, it makes a set of notes randomly, and this can go on all day long. I won't bore you with it anymore.